Okay, we are in a catamaran. What is the make of this catamaran, Masaya?
It's Helix
It's French?
Fountaine Peugeot.
It's with
Helix
Fountaine.
44.
44 Fountaine. Okay, this engine have a couple of Volvo Pentas, and the customer complained, Masaya, about this control not return properly in neutral.
Yes.
Advanced, but the no return?
Well, when it comes back to neutral, it's still engaged.
It's still engaged. All right, we are going to verify if the problem is use calibration of the cable. This is with cable or is with harness?
It is with carbon.
Electronic or mechanical?
It's cable, mechanical.
It's mechanical. All right. The control is the shift control and the throttle controls are with cable. Probably is adjustment. We are going to verify if the control is free, if not, and we are going to check if it's possible calibrate or if it's necessary replace. Recently, in another catamaran in a Leopard 44, we have exactly the same problem, and we found that the solution was replace the cables. We did that process in other of my videos, guys. We are going to verify if in this case we need to replace the cable or if it's just adjusting the end of the wire. We are going to start the engines, both of them. The customer said that the 4 gearbox need adjustment. It doesn't disengage from reverse at the neutral position. Okay, we are going to verify.
It's tight. So just pump a little.
But I think that is the gear, the shift cable, not the throttle.
Not the throttle.
Yeah. Yes. All right. We are going to check.
Well, you could
Okay.
verify the difference between this one and that.
All right. Okay. Yeah. This is the difference. According to this. Now reverse. Neutral. Reverse. Forward. Forward. Masaya, come on.
Okay. What do you need down there?
Can you see in neutral? Can you see in neutral all the play that you have here?
Okay.
I think that this is too much play. We are going to check with the other engine how much is the play over there in neutral.
Let me grab a. It's good.
Yeah, this one have less play. Have less play. You see? The other one is double the play.
Okay.
All right. We are going to do this. We are going to remove the pin and we are going to remove the cable in the other engine, and we are going to engage and disengage without the cable.
Okay.
To verify if it's doing well.
Okay.
You have a pliers?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. In this engine, we have too much play in the handle of the shift cable. We are going to remove the cable and we are going to verify if we engage the engine with hand easily without the cable, and what happened with the cable, to isolate if the problem is the cable or if the problem is the mechanisms of the control. I think it's the mechanisms. Okay, and now we are going to start again. Okay guys, now we verify if the cable, we are going to order the cable. In next coming episode we are going to replace the cable. The most difficult part is follow the path of the cable. Follow the path of the cable and verify if the procedure is you need with the new one pull a rope,
Okay.
and after that with the rope you pull the new one, starting in this point and finishing over there.
Okay.
Correct?